Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a double-bladed lightsaber early in the game. This one right here. Darth Maul's lightsaber he used himself. So let's get to this and yeah. So I should probably give you guys a tip on how, oh okay, that was terrible. Anyway, as I was saying, I should give you guys a tip that that how to get to this planet. So after you complete the first mission, you should be able to tell people in your ship. OG fans will hate me, but I actually don't know the names of the woman and the alien guy yet. But yeah, them two chilling in that ship back there. They will give you the option to go to either Dathomir, Senfo and some other planet, but you choose Dathomir, and if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, is just waiting for that friendly looking fellow over there to pass. He don't look like he's doing that. But yeah, Dathomir is a planet you want to be, and yeah, so I'm not waiting around for this guy. Fuck that guy. So anyway, I'm going to show you where to get the lightsaber and how to get there. Oh, whoa. Did not expect him. So yeah, this was one of the games I got for Christmas, and I'm liking it so far. It's not as good as Force Unleashed, in my opinion, but a lot of other people would say otherwise. But I don't really want to judge how good it is until I complete it. So once it's complete, then I'll have a full opinion on what I think of this game. But I'm liking it so far. But I still think Force Unleashed was just shit. So, where did I go? I think it's this way. Is there anything around here? Oh. Ah. Let's check if there's anyone else up here. Alright, we're good. Hold on a minute. What's that in there? I'm trying to go quick to get this thing. Okay, that was creepy.
Practicing her craft.
But at least I got that now. I like to collect everything. I must have missed that somehow the first time I came here. But yeah, I was just collecting that real quick. Now let's get back on track on where to find the double-bladed lightsaber. Just letting you guys know, I've got force push because I played the 3rd chapter. I'm not sure if I'm done with the chapter yet or not, but you go to this temple and then you unlock the force push in there. But when I first came here, I'd done this with no force push, and it was pretty hard. It's still hard now. So this is a hard planet, so be aware when you come here, but it's worth it for what you get, of course.
Look, here! Try me, Jedi!
Oh, wow. Oh yeah, I remember these now. The first time I came here, I got a lot of Darth Maul sort of vibes from these guys, because if you look at them, they're the same race as Darth Maul, and I thought that's pretty sick that their game's added them in.
Quick, help!
And the story of Dathomir, I mean, a lot of Clone Wars fans will be familiar with this place, and I'm not going to ruin it, but what they said about it gave me a lot of Clone Wars throwbacks, and I loved it.
Stim, here!
For you guys who have played this already or played this mission already, you'll know what I mean, but I'm not going to spoil it for you guys.
Prepared to die, Jedi? Kill the outside! I won't let you escape! I missed! Help! Fight me!
That was tough. Man, look at my health. I'm gonna rest up at this thing up here. Ah, I've got a skill point. Okay, I want to get force stamina improvement, but where is that? I saw it earlier. Okay, just bear with me guys, I'm trying to upgrade myself here just to give myself an extra force stamina. But just trying to remember where it is. You guys are probably screaming at me right now on where it is, but I don't know. It's just gone completely out of my head. Is that it? Let me read it. Yeah. That's not it. This is it. Right, so now I've found that, I'm just gonna rest up to refill my health and carry on with the rest of this walkthrough. Okay, so the places you want to go is the Strangle Cliffs, the Upper Strangle Cliffs, and then the Brothers Bastion. You can learn the locations of these by looking at your map. If you look at your map, that will tell you where Strangle Cliffs are, and the Upper Strangle Cliffs and the Brothers Bastion. The Brothers Bastion is where you'd find this majestic lightsaber right here. I'm just gonna get away from these guys, so I'm gonna die. Yeah, just look at your map, then you'll see it.
Very well. This fight is mine.
Okay, these guys put up a tough fight. Okay, so I just killed them guys, and now I'm going to show you the rest of the way. You go through that door right there. This one. And then you come to this jump here. There you meet this guy.
Beware. Dathomir's mysteries already.
He has a lot more to say to you the first time you meet him, but I've already met him, so he just says random shit now. And that jump right there, you can't make that until you get double jump, and I'm not sure when you get that because I haven't played that far through the game yet. But anyway, this table right here is where you get the double bladed lightsaber. So when you guys do it, you will see Cal construct his new lightsaber, and it'll be double bladed just like this. But then you could change the colour here as well to either green or blue or orange if you've got the pre-ordered version. Yeah, that's how you get it. So please either like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you.